from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to.
Hey fam, we are at Trader Joe's and we are bringing you guys with me as I grab things to cook, make the menu as we walking through the stove. Look at the carrots, guys, for $1.49. Good with some ranch. But yeah, we're gonna bring you with us and grab our food for the week. Cause with the snow out here, the way that's set up, we ain't getting outside. Look at these little cute zucchinis here for $2.49, y'all. Those are too cute. That's why I love coming here. The veggies are fresh and a good price. Mandarins, guys. Don't this like make you feel like you're in California here? That is $3.99, and I think they're, so I'm thinking these are $3.99 and the mandarins is $5.99. Every time I come in here, y'all, they always want me to, they always put this candy out here, and then I be wanting to grab some. Look at those fruity gummies for $1.99. Like, they pull you right on in when you get in here. I always like the juice options, like this orange strawberry banana juice. I think I'm gonna get some of that. And then they also, you know what, I'm gonna get the orange peach mango. That one's $2.79, and then this one is the organic, it's $3.99. These cupcakes look good for $3.99. See, they be trying to get y'all. They be trying to get me up in here, y'all. Ooh, look at that carrot cake for $4.49. And then they got a chocolate, a dark chocolate. Oh my gosh, y'all, $4.49. I see this glazed donut. I think I'm gonna grab this glazed donut. We're gonna grab the glazed donut, y'all. Sour cream glazed donut. Ain't in the part of the meal option, but we gonna do it. Look at Serenity in her little cart. Look at that, too. Yeah, those dried pineapples does look good. $3.99. Ooh, and they also got dried mango too. Organic dried mango. Here go those cupcakes again. They coming for us again, Serenity. That's bread. Go over to the frozen section here and see what they got here. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. The lamb here, a spicy curry. Ooh, that looks so good. The one thing about Trader Joe's is that they always have good deals on the organic mango. That is $2.40. And the pineapple tidbits is $1.79. And I'm gonna tell y'all, they make the best smoothies. Let's see here. Ooh, look at basil beans. Ooh, that sounds so good. That's the teriyaki chicken, Serenity. She looking for the orange chicken. Oh, they out, Serenity. You want to try the teriyaki chicken? Or they have the kung pao chicken. The chow. Let's get the chow mein because Daddy likes that. And that one has chicken in it. So how about we just get 2 bags of these, and then I can put some orange chicken sauce with it. Now they have the cauliflower orange chicken, and then some honey walnut shrimp. Ooh, that sounds good. I swear, this is the only place in town I can find hash browns. Now, come on, parents. They need to get it together in Michigan here. Oh, there's a cute little mini croissants for $4.49. They got chocolate ones too.
I never had
and almond.
What?
That sounds good. That's not bad. $7.99 for those chicken breasts. Dang. Ooh, that look good. They make look like some good chicken sandwiches.
Yeah, and then like the sandwich.
Man, they got so many options. Even meatballs. Grilled chicken, $6.49. And these chicken breasts, I have to get some of those. These right here, always get me. Always. Oh yeah, you can't eat those, so I gotta put them back. Serenity allergic to them. They got peanut butter in them. Well, they're made with like peanut oil. So we can't get those. Good, because I don't need them. Ooh, mac and cheese. They got every flavor. Pepperoni pizza mac and cheese. Hey, fam, have y'all ever heard of that? Let me know. They even got the spiral mac and cheese. They have barbecue sauce, General Tso's sauce. I mean, they got every sauce. What is peri sauce? Fermented chilies. Ooh. I learn something new every day. Their meat is always, I feel like their salmon is really well priced here. I feel like their turkey breast is really well priced. And their chicken. $3.49 a pound. $3.49 a pound is not a bad deal. I always go for the chicken, ground chicken, that's $5.49. The organic is $5.49, and then the all natural is $3.99. I mean, come on, y'all can tell me where else can you find that better? They even have Italian sausages. $17 for one ribeye. $16.71 for a ribeye. You guys let me down know in the comments if you found something better than that for a ribeye. Chip aisle. They got the bombas. All right, fam. We're gonna get out of here. Wanted to bring you guys while we pick up a couple of things, and we're gonna get checked out. All right, bye.